Hello, Lakeview students. This is Mrs. Rabaska, the librarian, and I'm here today to show you how to place a hold on a library book that is in our very own Lakeview Library. Um, a couple things. Some of you are coming to school 2 days a week, and some of you are staying home, but checking out books from our library is available to all of you. The process is the same. How you get them is a little different. So if you are coming to school, your holds will be delivered to your reading teacher. If you're an online student, you will receive an email when your hold is ready, letting you know that you can come pick it up. Your holds can be picked up on Wednesdays between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. from the front office. You need to check your email frequently because that is how you will know when it is available. For any student, in order to get your new books, you'll need to return your old books. And there will be a drop-off for online students in the office as well.